Okay, so it's kind of cool. I don't know if I can film in here or not, but this is... Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. They have open lectures, spirituality and religion, leadership management. Okay. Casa Ricci. I think I've heard it, but I just didn't know if I could go in or not, I guess. But it's kind of open today. So we're gonna just pause. So this is all this space. So we can go through. Let's just see. Okay. So we're gonna end this one right here. So this is if you need to read this, this is the historic center of Macau. I'm gonna flip over to this side. And here's a map. So you can see exactly where you are. St. Augustine's Square, which is this. You can read some of that if you want. And we're gonna overlook this, and over like this, and I'm gonna conclude in this space right here. And I'll probably start a new one in this area somewhere.